Question many people have been asking: has the mayor received the same treatment as everyone else?
Our Carly Van Cleve has been looking into that. She talked with a criminal defense attorney to try to learn more. Here's what she found out.
That's right. I'm joined now by Stanley Campbell. He is a criminal defense attorney. He's here to help me understand a little bit more about these OWI charges and what the proceedings are. Stanley, how are you doing tonight?
I'm doing good.
Yeah, first, so tell me, what is an OWI and what are the things, the charges associated with them here in Indiana?
Well, an OWI involves someone who is operating a motor vehicle and they have consumed alcoholic beverages.
And what are the charges that are associated with that? What usually happens to somebody who gets pulled over for an OWI?
There's a couple of different varieties, potential offenses that someone may be charged with, and they have to do with what someone's blood alcohol content ends up being.
Yeah, and I know in the case with the mayor in the probable cause affidavit, it says he wasn't given a breathalyzer until about 50 minutes after he was pulled over. Is that normal?
I don't think it's abnormal. It kind of depends upon what's going on. The results from the handheld unit, the alco sensor, is not admissible in court, but it can provide probable cause to say to the person, I've got probable cause to believe that you're operating while intoxicated based upon my having observed your driving abilities, the results of my alco sensor test, whatever it may be, and require the person to go downtown to be tested on the official machine that they're going to run the person on.
Yeah, and in the case with Mayor Tom Henry, he was taken into custody after that, taken into the jail. It was a Saturday night. They say that he was released on his own recognizance. How does that work? Explain that.
Typically, a first-time OWI is going to be released on their own recognizance. I think they get interviewed or seen by the bail services, released on their own recognizance under the supervision of the bail services, which is an arm of the court.
In a special case like this, being our mayor, are there chances where he'll get certain treatments, different treatment than other people, do you think?
I wouldn't expect him to be treated any differently than anybody else. And it doesn't appear that that is happening. From everything I understand about it, he is pretty much being processed through the prosecutor's office and by the court system, as would anybody else that has been arrested on an OWI.
Those are all my questions. I appreciate your time today.
You bet. Thank you.
And so Mayor Tom Henry's sentencing is set for November 7th at 10 a.m. We will have a crew there providing updates. For now, reporting from the Digital Desk, I'm Carly Van Cleve.